5 o'clock advisory is now in for Hurricane Ernesto. It is still a Cat 1 hurricane with winds of 90 miles per hour, about 375 miles east of Halifax, Nova Scotia, moving to the northeast at 26 miles per hour. Some changes with this 5 o'clock advisory. It has it staying as a Category 1 hurricane much longer now through tomorrow morning before finally gradually weaken as it enters the much cooler waters of the northern Atlantic. And now it's going to take until Wednesday afternoon before Ernesto dissipates and falls apart. So that's the biggest change with a new advisory. Here's a look at your Central Florida certified most accurate forecast. It is going to be hot and humid with high rain chances through the late week. But at least though, as we go into Thursday and Friday, those temperatures cool down into the low 90s. We're talking about even upper 80s for your highs by Saturday. Chief Meteorologist Tony Minolfi is coming up at 5 with a close look at what makes tonight's supermoon extra special, coming up at 5.